All right, it's Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm buying some Netflix here at 676.48. This is here at the blue line, 676.48. It's obviously breaking out above bar number one. Bar number one kind of gapped up a little bit, had pausing for like 4 or 5 bars, and now we're breaking to the upside. So I kind of like that. In the daily chart, there was actually a comment on one of my videos yesterday asking about Netflix, and I said if after this hammer bar from yesterday, if it starts up, you can definitely give it a shot to the upside if opening price action leads us that way. So that's what's happening now, and then see if we can eat into this buying tail, this selling tail up here, up to this target, up into this area. The question was, did it fail on the downside? We've had 2 hammer bars down here on the weekly chart. Technically, we didn't come down and take out that liquidity to the downside, but we could be, just not getting there and then wanting to start up. I still think this is the type of thing where if we come up and can't get up there, we could eventually have a 2 down, move to take out some of these stops down here. It was trying to do that on these last 2 days. But anyway, it's certainly starting up today. There's a 2 up day. I like the opening price action, that kind of paused here inside that first bar and is breaking out. So I think we can, at least give it a shot and see how much it wants to eat into this area. And if all goes well, we'll get 1 push up, pause, second push up. So we'll find out. If it gets through the midpoint of this first bar and fails, then I think you could be seeing a failure on the 2 up day that eventually could be trying to take out these stops down here. So, just going with the price action to the upside, we'll just see if we get that follow through. And we kind of know, intraday structure, if it gets through the midpoint of that first bar, then we're likely failing, heading down to the pre-market lows. And I think could be taking out, like I said, some of these weekly lows down here into this gap. But for now, opening 2 hammer bars in a row up here. We'll see if it works to the top of this range and go with price action, which is, at least for the moment, back to the upside.